This is a 2004 Kawasaki KFX 700. And it's got some issues. And I got some goodies. Brand new radiator. Tie rods. Four tie rod ends. Front wheel bearings. Wheel bearing seals. Up first is replacing the radiator. This radiator's been hurt a couple of different times. Got a big dent in this corner with epoxy in it. Disconnect the lower radiator hose. We need to disconnect the thermostat. These grommets have a metal washer and spacer in one. They come out hard, but they normally go back in harder. A small screwdriver can help a lot. Now to put everything in the new one. The O-ring on the plug is a lot heavier. Now to get these in. A lot of fun. Start by putting the bottom. There's one. These are going in a lot easier than the YZ125. There's two. Put the washer / spacer in. Next up is put the fan back on. I missed something on the old one. These nut certs. And it helps put them on the right way. pretty bad idea. Just cutting wires. There's almost always watertight connectors. For some reason, tabs aren't lining up. And the fan is on the way it was because of this wire holder. Place all that wrong. Using a clean funnel. It looked dirty, but it's stained. And now I'll top it off with some distilled water that I need to go get.